This video is for those that participated in the Candy Pocket mining. Now, if you want to get your user ID, your exchange user ID or exchange UID, click at the top left of this app. So when you click on it, the profile, you will see your user ID. You see UID. So what you need to do is to click on that paper icon beside it to copy it. It says copy successfully. Then you now head over to your Candy Pocket, the mining platform, for you to do what? Impute your exchange user ID. You should put in your exchange ID, which is the one you copied. Put it in, then select the platform, which is ByBit. This ID number should be your NIN number or your national ID card number or your driver's license number, whichever one, or your BVN. But I don't think BVN should be for ByBit during ByBit verification. So for this area, you can put your NIN number or your or your any of your document ID number. Then put in your full name here. Then click on next step. So if you don't have a ByBit account already, just check the video description, this video description, or the other video description I made on Candy Pocket. You can set up your ByBit account. Once you register, you can just copy your user ID and paste here, then go ahead to proceed. Okay, but if they reject it saying that your ByBit is not verified, you can go ahead and verify your ByBit. In fact, once you register, make sure you verify your ByBit account before you copy your user ID. It will be faster and safer for you. Okay, so that is the update I want to drop. Thank you for watching.